Hello and welcome to today's awesome assembly with me, Mr. Etherton, and Mr. Badger. Yeah, next week is half term, so some people will have a little bit more time and a little bit less work, which is fantastic. Now here is a picture of Mr. Badger. No, not that picture, this picture. It's Mr. Badger drawn on a computer. Doesn't it look fantastic? I love the way his coat's come out. It looks really good. Could you draw something like that? What do you think? Now, if you go to my school website, and I'll try and work out how to put the link below, you can find this colouring in sheet of Mr. Badger, and you can have a go at designing his own clothes. You could even, if you really wanted to, draw him like Brave Brock and design a superhero costume for him. What do you think? Maybe you could even send it to me on an email or show it to me next time you see me. It'd be lovely to have some pictures of Mr. Badger. Now, I hope that you've been really enjoying all the superhero fun that we've been having over the last couple of weeks. We've met some really big superheroes like Joseph and Enoch and Sarah and Abraham and Moses and loads of them. And I hope you also met Mystery and Brave Brock. Who are they, Badger? We're not sure. But for today, I want you to watch Assemblies online. It's an amazing Assemblies. So look at the link below and you're gonna watch something like this. It's a really brilliant. Yeah, hello Sarah. We want to watch you today. I'm now gonna find my favourite bit to show you. And here's my favourite bit. Watch this bit here. Look at that. They're having some awesome fun. So click on the link below and watch that assembly today. And in a few days time, in a week's time, me and Mr. Badger will be back for more of our own awesome assemblies. See you later. Well, Mr. Badger's watching the assembly already. You enjoying it, Mr. Badger? Yeah? It's all about hope. Yeah? Yeah, the children will watch that one today. You can carry on watching it. Oh, hang on, I've left the camera on. I better turn the camera off and they can click on the link below and they can watch it for themselves. Is that alright, Mr. Badger? Yeah.